So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be unboxing my new phone, Huawei P9. So as you can see, it's written like a dual camera. So the color that I chose is titanium gray and the memory is 32 GB. And as you know, Huawei is made in China, but the programmer is a Filipino. So the feature is it has like a dual camera, symmetric metal unibody, and the program is Huawei Kirin 955 octa-core CPU, while the Huawei P10, the CPU is Kirin 658. So it's the same with Huawei P10 Lite and Huawei P10 new generation fingerprint sensor. So at the back, it's showing that you can put two SIM card and a micro SD for your memory. So here are the parts. Here is the volume buttons and the power buttons. So as you can see, we'll put here your cards, the SD card and the two SIM card, and this is the flash and the two like a dual camera. So as you can see, it's a little bit bigger than the iPhone 5. I think it's bigger, 2 inches bigger. And the screen, let's check the screen. Also the same. No, it's a 1 inch wider. But for the weight, this is a little bit iPhone or a little bit heavy than the Huawei mobile phones. So I just open the power button and wait for the screen to open. As you can see, it has the welcome logo. So select language, English. Next, region. I choose United States. And scanning, Wi-Fi. So since that it's not yet compatible, not yet pair, I mean, with our So for enrolling your fingerprint, it's at the back of your mobile. So it's here. So I'm successfully enrolled. So I'll press OK. Configuration successful and begin. This feature requires power information to enable to the settings in your modem. You can disable permission anytime. So this is the screen, guys. As you can see, So I'll try to take a picture. So here are the menu for the camera. It has a timer, touch to capture smiles. So if you take photos, it's automatically capture when someone is smiling. So as you can see guys, it has a very high resolution, and down you can see the watermark, and here's the edit menu. You can share, you can delete, edit, rotate, crop, filter, splash, illusion, adjust. It has watermark, so you can delete this one, Huawei P9. This is the watermark. So as you can see, this is using Google because this is an Android phone, and for the apps you can download through the Play Store. So guys, if you remove the first layer of the carton in the box, you will find the 3 boxes, 2 small boxes and 1 small box. The smallest box I mean, is it has the earphone and the cord, and this one is the charger. And guys, it has a free hard case and quick start guide for your mobile phone. It has also a pin, so you can easily open here to put your SIM card. Yeah, to put your SIM card. So this one. So here's the plug for the charger, and it has extra, I think this is called USB. And then this is the earphone. This is how it looks like. So this is the earphone for the iPhone. So you can see it's a circle. The shape is circle. For the Huawei, you can see and you can recognize it.
I will run, I will climb, I will soar. I'm undefeated. Oh, jumping out of my skin, pull the cord. Yeah, I believe it. Oh, the past is everything we were. Don't make us who we are. So I'll dream until I make it real, and all I see is stars. Is not it.
So as you can see, this is using Google because this is an Android phone, and for the apps you can download through the Play Store. So that's it guys for today's video. I will explore more about this mobile. So thank you for watching guys for today's video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and see you on my next video. Bye.